you see what the world is doing and what it has been doing over the last several decades, and with all of its advancements, with all that the world is trying to do to make things better, so to speak, you look at the statistics and what is happening to people. They have never felt and been more alone. And you see the depression and the emotional issues, obviously the spiritual issues and the scourge that's going on with that. But then, people not choosing to get married, people not choosing to have kids, people feeling like they can't succeed anymore, or whatever dream or hope that they had that their parents or grandparents had will not exist for them. You see that with all the investment and the attempt that Babylon makes at bettering people's lives, ultimately what they do for the vast, for a vast amount of people is create loneliness and depression and sadness and everything that is antithetical to what the Lord intends. And it's just, it gets clearer and clearer to me as time goes by. And this would be my call to those who are not members of the church and those who are members or were members and no longer are, just to step back for a second and think about and keep in proper perspective, without emotion, without anger or frustration, or whatever, but just look at what the church is trying to do to unify and bring people together, to support and sustain one another, to have that Zion purpose and that Zion heart in all that we do. And then think of what the world is doing in all their wisdom and everything at their disposal. All the world is doing is, through its desire to bring us together, is ultimately driving people apart and creating more loneliness, sadness, and depression than has ever existed. And you see this played out over and over and over again in every statistic from every perspective you can think of, whether it's certain minority communities, whether it's, the whole trans movement and people saying, hey, we need to be more embracive of them so that they don't feel ostracized and alone. And yet, as the world has become more tolerant, the statistics show that it doesn't necessarily improve their feeling of acceptance, that they still feel alone. They still have incredibly high depression levels.
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.